Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and reset PNC password or user ID. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open your PNC application and you'll be welcomed with this screen. Now, all you need to do is simply go ahead and tap on forgot password or user ID down over here. And once you've done that, you're going to be taken to this page right over here. And now you need to simply go ahead and enter or answer these questions. So if you don't know your user ID and you're missing your user ID, you can simply go ahead and click on no, or you could simply go ahead and click on yes and enter your user ID. If you don't know your user ID, you can simply enter your SSN or your individual taxpayer ID or even your employer identification number. And once you've done that, you can simply go ahead and click on next, and then it will identify your account and send you a verification code to the registered phone number and email that you provided. Simply go ahead and enter the verification code into the application and they'll let you go ahead and reset your password and user ID. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.